ang gawa ng iyong tingin at ngiti. Di sinasadyang mahulog mahibang, aasa na tayo sa huli. Aaminin ko pa, o baka bigla lang mawala kung ano mang pumapagitan sa ating dalawa. Naisip mo ba sa
Ay, wala ka makadot sa inyo. Sana mag-exercise ka.
Baby, put your hands on me. Ooh. Ooh. You got that bomb, baby. She was the girl next door. That's my finest neighbor. Told her if she wants some sugar, baby, don't be a stranger. And she said, when I need something sweet, I'll be coming over to you. That girl was knocking in the middle of the night, wearing nothing but a robe that she took off inside. And she said, boy, I'm getting cold, here's what I need you to do. Baby, put your hands on me, both hands on me. Right now, you're the only one I need. So baby, put your hands on me, both hands on me. When we dance, put your hands all over me.
Been such a long time since I've been lucky. Don't have to be shy, say how bad you want me. Come and touch me tenderly.
Oh, the night's still young. Come and break my heart.
Darling, you are the only one I need.
No, I won't be afraid. No, I won't be afraid.
Just as long as you kiss me before you leave. So
Sa gitna man ng daan, mga saglit